Okay, folks, here we go. Now, I've got this drawing over to the right. There are two parallel lines, R and S. And then there's this line, T, that cuts through both of them. That line is called a transversal. We don't need to know that. I would have written that down if you needed to. But later you'll learn about transversals, and that's a transversal, a line that cuts two parallel lines. It says that angle 1 measures 125 degrees. They want us to find the measure of angle 3, the measure of angle 2, that little m means measure of angle 2, and the measure of angle 5. Does anyone see a measure that they'd like to give me? They can see it right now. They're ready to just tell me what it is. Elise, which one do you want to tell me? What is the measure of angle 3? How do you know that it's 125 degrees? It is a vertical angle to angle 1, which means they have the same measure. Perfect. Beautiful. Okay? Who's left that would like to give me another one? Barrett. What's the measure of angle 5, Barrett? The measure of angle 5 is 125 degrees. Okay, I'll go with that. And what about the next one, measure of angle 2? Rowan?
Angle 2 is 55 degrees.
Angle 2 is 55 degrees. How do you know that?
Because our line thing is like 180.
It's a total of 180 degrees. Yep.
And 1 is 125.
Yep.
And 180 minus 125 is 50.
Leaves us with 55 degrees. How would you describe angle 1 and angle 2? You would say that they are adjacent. That's true. And it's supplementary. But hey, folks, there's one piece of information that you do need to know that we haven't gotten in this information, and that is if two parallel lines, okay, are cut by a transversal, like this blue line, the angles that are on the same side of the transversal and on the top of the parallel lines, they have the same measure. The angles that are on the same side of the transversal, oh, not that one, not that one, and the bottom are also the same measure. Okay, does that make sense? What I showed you there? You guys got that anyway, but I just wanted to make sure that I told you too. All right, go have some lunch.